They called it impossible. Completely sweat-proof earbuds built to withstand your worst. Impossible. Bringing audiophile HD quality sound, utilizing a precision-tuned hybrid driver setup, including a built-in subwoofer, to a sport earbud. Impossible. Scientifically redesigning the earbud housings to more comfortably fit every ear with 144 combinations of ear tips and stabilizers for a truly custom fit. Impossible. Innovating feather-light stabilizers that meld to your neckline, providing unmatched stability without bulky ear hooks. Impossible. An impressive 15 hours of talk and play time, 400 hours of battery life on standby, combined with a magnetic mobile charging clip for extra juice when you need it most. Impossible. Let them focus on impossible. We're driven by passion. The passion to pour adrenaline into an earbud designed with legendary concert-style sound, built to be a catalyst to fuel your dreams. We celebrate courage. The courage to take the path less traveled by designing a sport earbud with a voice-isolating microphone built to embody pure class and sophistication. We believe in the power of hope. The hope that something as simple as a wireless earbud can change the world, one new beginning at a time. Forget the impossible.